segment, we will learn the usage of bill-wise entry in purchase and payment voucher. When a purchase invoice is recorded, new reference is selected to give the transaction a reference number with which it can be tracked in payment voucher as against reference.
For example, if two purchase vouchers are recorded with new reference numbers as Bill 1 and Bill 2, then while recording a payment entry, the reference numbers will help to keep a track of the purchase against which the payment is being made. Please note that in some business cases, you might make advance payment and then record the purchase entry. Advance reference usage is explained in the upcoming sections. Here are the details of purchase and payment transactions. Sridevi International recorded two purchase transactions on 1st of June 2020 and another transaction on 2nd of June 2020 from LG Electronics with reference number LG/08 and LG/012. LG Electronics agreed to make the payment within 30 days from the date of purchase, and on 10th of June 2020, LG Electronics made a payment against purchase reference number LG/08. Let us now record these transactions in Tally by using the relevant reference details. To record the transaction in the books of account, first, we need to create accounting masters. Then, record purchase vouchers with method of adjustment as new reference. Then, record payment voucher with method of adjustment as against reference. And finally, we have to check the bills payable report. Let us now create the party ledger. Go to Gateway of Tally, select Create. Under Accounting Masters, select Ledger. Enter the name as LG Electronics and take it under Sundry Creditors Group. Then enter the other details in the ledger. While entering details, you need to ensure some points, such as maintain balances bill by bill option should be enabled for tracking pending bills. If the option is disabled, it will not be possible to track bills while making or receiving payments. Then, in the default credit period, always remember to enter the due date, that is, the credit days allowed by the supplier to make the payment. If the credit period is left blank, then while recording the entry, we must enter the credit period manually. Also, make sure the option Check for credit days during voucher entry is set to Yes. This option warns if any overdue bill or bills is pending while making a fresh invoice for the concerned party. Save the ledger. With this, we complete the process of creation and configuration of bill-wise entry details in the party ledger. Now we will record purchase voucher with method of adjustment as new reference for given illustration. Sridevi International purchased the goods from LG Electronics with allowed credit period of 30 days. To record the entry, go to Gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, then click on Purchase. Next, press F2 Date and set the date to 1st of June 2020. Make sure the voucher is in the item invoice mode. If it is not, then press Ctrl+H, change mode, and select item invoice from the list of modes or usage. Next, press F12 Configure and set the option Use defaults bill-wise details for bill allocations to No. Enter the supplier invoice number as LG/08 and the date will be captured automatically. Now, select LG Electronics in the party account name field and accept receipt details and party details screen as it is. Then select purchase account in the purchase ledger field. Under name of item, select LG 6 kg front load washing machine and press enter. Then stock item allocation screen appears. Now select Karnataka location in the go down field and enter quantity as 10 numbers. Rate as Rs 35,000 per number. Let the discount percentage column be blank and the amount will get calculated automatically. Now accept the stock item allocation screen. Next, similarly select second stock item, LG 6 kg top load washing machine. And in the stock items allocation screen, select Karnataka location in the go down field. Enter quantity as 50 numbers. Rate as Rs 15,000 per number. And the amount will be calculated automatically. Then accept the stock item allocation screen. And in the bill-wise details screen, in the type of reference field, select New Reference. In the name field, by default, the supplier invoice number LG/08 will be shown. If required, alter the number, but for now, let it be as it is. In the due date or credit days field, the credit days and due date will be filled automatically. It is the credit period which you have entered while creating the party ledger. The amount will be captured automatically. Finally, recording the bill-wise details for LG Electronics is completed. Now, save the bill-wise details. After that, enter the narration. This is how we must record the purchase voucher with new reference in Tally. Accept the entry. Similarly, let's record another purchase transaction with the reference number LG/012 for the given details. As on 2nd of June 2020, Sridevi International purchased the goods from LG Electronics and allowed credit period of 30 days. While recording the transaction, ensure to select the party account name as LG Electronics. Select the relevant stock items. And in the bill-wise details screen, select Type of Reference as New Reference. After fetching all the details, accept the entry. After recording the credit purchase transactions, the details are reflected in the ledger outstandings and bills payable report. Because the payment to supplier LG Electronics is still pending. Bills payable report displays the details of pending bills including credit purchase details for which the payment is pending. To check the bills payable report, click on Go to option. Then in the search field, type as bills payable, select it. Then press Alt plus F5 to view it in detail mode. Here we observe that the report gives you the details of total bills payable to the supplier along with the transaction details like date, reference number, party name, pending amount, and overdue by days. You have successfully recorded the purchase voucher with method of adjustment as new reference and checked its impact in the relevant reports. Now we will record the payment against the pending bills and check how the pending bill reference number will appear. Before proceeding, let us understand about against reference method. It is a method of adjustment that is used to track an existing transaction which is already tagged with a reference number. For example, Sridevi International has recorded 2 credit purchase transactions with reference numbers as LG/08 and LG/012. As on 10th of June 2020, Sridevi International is making the payment against the credit purchase made. Now, while recording the payment voucher, if you select the method of adjustment as against reference, you will get the 2 pending bills, that is LG/08 and LG/012 for clearing. To record the payment transaction in Tally, go to Gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, and click on Payment. If the payment voucher is in double entry mode, Ctrl+H, then click on Change Mode and select Single Entry. Now, click on F2 Date and change the date to 10th of June 2020. In the Account field, select Kotak Mahindra Bank account. Next, press F12 Configure and set the option Pre-allocate bills for payment or receipt or journal vouchers to Yes. Then accept the configuration screen. In Particulars field, select the party ledger to whom the payment is made, that is LG Electronics. You will get the bill-wise details for LG Electronics. In the Type of Reference field, select Against Reference. You will get the Pending Bills screen, which shows the total pending bills payable to LG Electronics along with the reference name and date details. Select the bill name as LG/08 and press Enter. Due date or credit days and the amount will get captured automatically. Again, press Enter and select End of List and accept the bill-wise details screen. In the Bank Allocation screen, for transaction type, select as Check and the amount will be captured automatically. Enter the check number in the field Instrument Number as 100001 and fill Check Date in the Instrument Date field and accept it. Then enter the narration. Accept the payment entry. Great! We have recorded the payment transaction against the relevant purchase pending bill. To check the Bills Payable report, click on Go to option. Then in the Search field, type as Bills Payable, select it. Then press Alt plus F5 to view it in detail mode. Here we observe that in the Bills Payable report, we are getting only one pending bill, that is LG/012, because we have cleared the bill number LG/08. Now let's record the payment transaction for given details. As on 14th of June 2020, made a payment to LG Electronics against the purchase reference number LG/012. While recording the transaction, make sure to select the party ledger as LG Electronics. In the Bill-wise Details screen, select the type of reference as Against Reference and select the pending bill number LG/012. Then accept the entry. That's great.